after it's verified across to completion.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Your TV screen will be turned off until the end of the safety demonstration. We would again like to welcome you aboard Frontier Airlines Airbus A319 jet service to Denver. Our flight time is approximately 57 minutes. Today, your flight attendants are Holly, Angela, and Tesla. Please make sure your seat back and tray tables in upright and locked position. Check to see that your seatbelt is securely fastened, that all carrying items are placed underneath those seats in front of you. In the seatbelt pocket, you'll find a safety information card illustrating important safety features of this aircraft. Please direct your attention to the flight attendants as we demonstrate these safety features. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the flat metal end into the buckle. To tighten, pull on the loose strap. To release, simply lift up on top of the buckle. Our aircraft is equipped with 6 emergency exits. There are 2 door exits in the front and 2 door exits in the rear of the cabin. In addition, there are 12 wing exits. Each exit is equipped with an evacuation slide that inflates automatically when open. All exits are clearly marked with red and white exit signs. Emergency lighting along the aisle will direct you to red lights at all exits. Locate your nearest exit, keeping in mind it may be behind you. In the event of a water evacuation, your flotation device is a life vest, which is sealed in a plastic bag located in the pocket underneath your seat. Its use is illustrated on the safety information card. To remove the life vest from the bag, pull the tab to one side. To use the vest, slip it over your head, grasp one of the straps hanging in front. Bring it around your waist, insert the end into the clasp to tighten, pull outward on the strap. Your vest may be inflated automatically by pulling down sharply on the red tab located on the front of the vest by blowing to the red tube near your shoulder. Your vest is equipped with a water-activated light. Additional information regarding the location and operation of flotation devices for small children may be found in the safety information card. Our cabin will be pressurized during flight. Should there be a loss of cabin pressure, oxygen mask will automatically drop from the compartment above your seat. Immediately pull down on the mask. The plastic tubing is fully extended to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth. Secure the elastic band and breathe normally. The mask may be adjusted by pulling on the tabs on either side of the mask. Please adjust your mask before assisting a child or another passenger. Although oxygen is flowing, the bag may not inflate. Federal aviation regulations require passengers' compliance with crew member instructions, fasten seatbelt signs, outline information signs, and posted placards. Smoking is not permitted on this aircraft, including the lavatories. Federal law prohibits tampering, disabling, or destroying a lavatory smoke detector. Once again, welcome aboard. It's nice to have you with us. Ladies and gentlemen, these are assistants in preparing the cabin for landing. Please bring your seat back and tray tables to their upright lock positions. Please check to be sure that your seatbelts are securely fastened. And please ensure that all of your carry-on belongings are properly stored back underneath those seats in front of you. All laptop computers should be turned off and stored at this time. Your flight attendants will be coming down the aisle when it's safe to collect any trash items and items you'd like to dispose of. Please check those seatbelt pockets in front of you for any items that you may have placed there. Welcome to Denver.
Local time is 5 p.m. Please leave all carry-on items stowed and keep the aisles clear until we are parked to the gate and the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. And when you do get up, please be sure to use caution opening the overhead bins. A customer service agent will be available in the gate area to give you the most updated connection information. If you're collecting luggage here in Denver, you'll follow the baggage claim signs to the main terminal, east side, carousels 1, 2, or 3. And if you have your cell phone within arm's reach, you're welcome to go ahead and turn that on at this time. On behalf of Frontier Airlines, your crew, and LJ, the Lynx kitten on the tail, we'd like to thank you for flying with us today. And if anyone has a connection they need to make that's real tight, if you could please raise your hand. Everyone else look around. All these folks, we need to go ahead and let them get off first. If you could please do them a favor and remain seated while they exit the aircraft, and I'm sure they do you the same courtesy in the future when you need that. So thank you so much. Welcome to Denver. Prepare doors for arrival and cross-check, please. Aft doors disarmed.